Meditation is a practice that involves focusing your attention on a particular object, thought, or activity to train attention and awareness. It is a way to calm your mind and body and find inner peace and clarity. Here are some tips for beginning a meditation practice. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit. I recommend that you keep your spine upright. You can sit in a chair or cross-legged. You can also lie down, although you may get drowsy if you meditate this way, which is a good option for getting ready for bedtime. Take several breaths and relax your body. I like to do 10 deep breaths to start. Choose an object to focus your attention on, such as your breath, a mantra, or a physical object. Pay attention to your chosen object of focus and try to keep your mind from wandering. If your mind does wander, pat yourself on the back for realizing this and gently redirect it back to your object of focus. I like to say this phrase to myself when I become lost in thought. Let thoughts come, let them be, let them go. Try to maintain your attention on an object for a set amount of time, such as 5 or 10 minutes. A timer is helpful. You can gradually increase the length of your meditation as you get more comfortable with the practice. I typically practice for 30 to 60 minutes each day. Don't worry about doing it perfectly or getting it right. The goal of meditation is to not achieve a particular state, but simply to be present and aware in the moment. Lastly, you will see the most benefits from meditation if you make practice a daily habit. Perhaps 10 minutes each morning after you've had your coffee is a good time. Remember to be patient with yourself as you begin your meditation practice. Your mind is used to wandering, and now that you're paying attention to it, it may be frustrating because you want to control it. Just know that you can't control your mind. All you can do is become aware of your thoughts and direct your attention to certain things. As your attention improves, your mind will begin to wander less and less, and you will experience moments of peace and tranquility. This is not easy, but I can say from experience that the effort is worth it. Meditation has become my absolute favorite thing to do, and I look forward to spending time each morning doing it. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Watch this next video if you would like to start your meditation practice immediately.